Hi, now I got Google Pixel 6 Pro, and now I'm showing how to check battery health information on this device. So go into Play Store and find Ampere application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And click open. Now click, for example, no thank you, close, then click OK, and need swipe on the right. And here in the second column we got our health information of our battery. So our health battery is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.